Hi, my name is Josh and this is the roller coaster I've built. You can make it go two ways. You can make it go upwards and you can make it go downwards. I'm going to make it go upwards and this is what it does. And you can also make them have a race, as you can see. Thanks for watching, bye!